Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing one-year multiple entry Thai visas. This is a topic that I have not discussed for some time because, quite frankly, we haven't seen a lot of multiple entry Thai visas issued in quite some time. These were oftentimes issued at honorary consulates. In fact, they were frequently issued by honorary consulates years ago. As we discussed going into COVID, effectively the honorary consulates around the world began being closed up, or where they still exist, they no longer have visa issuance prerogatives. Some do. There are a few out there that are like these holdovers that still do issue visas, but many don't. Many honorary consulates, especially in Western countries that once issued visas, now no longer do so. That said, the multiple entry visa still exists, and in the past it was easier to understand because the sticker had its validity and then you were stamped into the country in 90-day intervals. It's similar in a sense to the elite visa, where the elite visa's sticker validity is 5 years, but every time you're stamped into Thailand upon arrival, you get a 1-year stamp. And you either have to extend that in country or leave and return and get another 1-year stamp. Similar with multiple entry Thai visas, such as the multiple entry business visa or the multiple entry O visa, which are the most frequently issued multiple entry visas that I've ever seen. And in those cases, the sticker validity is a year, but every entry you get 90 days of lawful status in Thailand, meaning you either have to extend off of that 90 days in country by going to a Thai immigration office, or you have to leave and come back in and get another 90 days to maintain lawful status. Basically do a classic border run, as I've called it, as opposed to what I call a visa run, where you actually go to an embassy to get a visa issued. You just cross a border, come back in either by land, sea, or air, come back in, and then boom, you get another 90-day stamp. Point I'm trying to make with regard to this video is the multiple entry visa is a bit confusing even in its prior form, where you actually had visas, a sticker or a stamp, if you go way back, I remember the stamps even, stamped into your passport. That it was kind of hard to understand that, hey, the sticker's validity is not the status you get in country. In country, you get 90 days of lawful status at entry. Point I'm trying to make in this video is now where you see a lot of digital visas being issued, it's frankly even more confusing because folks see their digital visa as issued. It has an expiration date as a year from the date of issuance, but then they get stamped in and they presume that their visa goes until that expiry date on their digital visa. That's not the case. On a multiple entry Thai visa, be it a B visa or an O visa, if you're on a multi-entry, you get 90 days of status upon entry. You do not get the full year that is placed on the visa itself's expiry date. That's a big difference. I know this can be confusing for most folks, hence the reason for making this video, as we've seen a number of new multiple entry visas being issued basically within the past roughly 4 to 6 months compared to roughly the past 5 years.